Hello everyone. Welcome to Kriya's Tasty World. I am Rupakala. Today's recipe is Urad daal bonda. Let us go to the kitchen and see how to make it. Take 1 cup of urad daal, soak 2 hours and drain it. Okay, like this. We grind it fine paste, thick paste. Okay. This is very easy and tasty recipe. You try and enjoy. Take a mixer jar. Okay. Put it over the dal. Half portion of urad dal. And add 1 tablespoon water and grind thick paste. Like this. Add whole urad dal in mixer jar and add 1 tablespoon of water, 1 or 2 tablespoon of water and grind it smooth thick paste like this. Puff it down. Okay. Put it into the bowl. Grind it over the dal. One tablespoon rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, we add 1 big onion finely chopped, coriander leaves, ginger, chopped ginger 1 tablespoon, half carrot chopped, curry leaves, 2 green chilies, crushed pepper 1 teaspoon. Okay. Add all these. Carrot, ginger, coriander leaves, crushed pepper, curry leaves, chili, green chili, big onion. Okay. Salt to taste. Mix it very well. You beat with my hands only 5 minutes. Okay. Duck become very soft. Wash our hands and Apply water, hands, like this. Okay. Heat the oil, medium flame. Dip our hands, water, then we made balls. Put it into the oil. This is a easy evening snacks. Coconut chutney is the combination for eating this bonda. Urad daal bonda. Okay. One side change the color. After flip it over. Two or three times flip it over the dough. Two sides change the color. After we transfer the bowl. Fried well and change the color. We transfer another bowl. Okay. Urad daal bonda is ready to serve. Very easy and tasty bonda. You try and enjoy. Okay. You send your feedback. Okay, like this, crispy and soft. Okay, thank you.